So we're wrapping up the 1978 6-meter Minuet. It belongs to Don and David, and they're here out of Louisville, southern Indiana. So it's a local trailer. They bought it out of Indiana. We've done the upholstery, some lighting, the awning, the AC, fantastic fan, resurfaced the countertops. I actually made a new countertop. Put in a new stove. With this stove, so we had to shrink the space because the stove was a 17-inch instead of a, what was it, like a 20-inch here, and the depth was changed a little bit. So this is a really nice, this is what they're putting in the 2018 Airstreams. It's a Dometic product. So we had to shrink the cabinet in, use some of the existing metal from the back side of the cabinet, fill that in with new sheet metal, break it, bend it, so it all kind of matched, because it had has a little nook here, and then it has some flanges that recessed a little bit when the old one came out flush. So that was all custom done. It was missing the tambour, so we did put in the tambour, and there it is. As I said, new countertop. We put in the coax over here. Before, it was all run with like weird extension cords and stuff, so we went back through and added the low voltage little spots, reading lights. Put in the USB port over here next to this bed. We put one in back of where James is, over that bed. New converter and small fuse panel. You'll see a still of that. These are nice little marine base kind of USB ports where they have a little lid that goes over them and they light up. The upholstery was done by Walker Fabrics here in Louisville. They handle all our upholstery. Really great. They're really in tune to the Airstream and what it needs. These are, of course, fold down gauchos. We went and flushed the tank out. We had to replace the first 3 feet of the subfloor that's underneath the gaucho, and then before we did that, or after we did that, we put in the new Infinity flooring. Now, I really like this product. It's very stable, it's soft, it's nice to walk on, it's easy to clean. There isn't a lot going, a lot that can go wrong with it. In the bathroom, we ended up putting a new little vanity top in here that matches the countertop out there, and then the shell was all cracked back here, so we put in a white aluminum end cap. So the bolstered ends over here they were also done by Walker, and there's another LED light over here because before it had these ones that were run with extension cords. It was real sloppy, so we cleaned a lot of it up. And the guys did a really good job. The fan, everything works. We left a lot of the original things, added the AC like I said, and then it's getting hot in here. So the AC is actually plugged in, so we can turn that on if you want. The refrigerator works on gas and electric. We tested all the systems. We did not put in a digital antenna, but we went ahead and ran the line up there through the refrigerator vent. So at time when they want, because it's a short trailer, they'll have to mount the antenna somewhere right around in here with the crank, because they're so long that they get in way of the air conditioner, AC unit. So we put in a deadbolt here and cleaned up the lock a little bit, redid all the weather stripping on the exterior on the windows. Didn't have to do a lot of work to the windows. They were in pretty good working order. Didn't have to do any of the thumb latches or anything like that. Then, it didn't for some reason have a little sheathing that went over the plumbing from the front of the trailer to the back, so the guys fabbed that up out of some scrap metal we had. The front end cap's in pretty good shape. There's just one crack in it. All in all, this is a great camper. They're ready to go. They're gonna kind of do some full-time living in this little thing, and I think it's all ready for them. If you have any questions about this build, send us an email. I know there's a lot of minuets out there. We did put an axle on there, and I'm trying to think if there was anything else. But the guys did a really great job again, so I'm really happy with them and the project. So, if you guys have any questions, just give us a call.